So much has changed over the last 10 years, hasn't it? Over the last 10 years, what changes have you experienced? I bet the ways you connect to your job and accomplish your work are most certainly different. Progress must be part of your purpose. To make great design successful, you must also master the business of product innovation. Where we used to think of CAD data as the main source of truth, actually product development information is all around us, in every conversation, idea, interaction.
Welcome to 3D Experience World 2021.
As smoothly as your team works together, what about your extended value network?
At this point, let me invite William and Charles from Square aboard. What made you pick 3D Experience platform?
We really needed a mechanism to store and organize revision-controlled CAD data in the cloud. And so we looked to 3D Experience to do that.
For 2023, the Solidworks R&D team, as usual, has delivered an amazing lineup of enhancements to help you work smarter, faster, and together. Not just together as a team, but also connected to your data and your tools. In 2023, we will improve your productivity and optimize your CAD potential. But to truly accelerate your innovation, you need to make all product information available for your entire enterprise to access and act on real time throughout the day, wherever they are. As you look to 2023, how will you continue to improve your productivity and expand creativity? How will you inspire those around you? For now, sit back and enjoy the demonstrations that follow. Share them with your friends, and let's make 2023 together the most innovative and successful year yet. Oh, and see you next at Nashville for 3D Experience World.